Hello, dear students, aspirants, and fellow learners. Welcome to our brand new series of Know Your Bharat, where we are going to cover each and every detail related to our Pyara Bharat, that is India. Now, who is this series for? Whether you are an aspirant, school going student, learner, or just a curious soul, we got you covered. Now, you can rely on this platform as we are not going to miss even a minute detail as far as India is concerned, whether it is related to competitive exam or just self-boasting about your knowledge to your classmates. What we are going to cover in this video series. Now you can see how minute and crisp we have made these notes. For example, in this sample note, we got you covered highest peak, lowest peak, north-south corridor, mountain ranges, and topic of Cancer, topic of Capricorn. You think of each and every minute detail, and we have covered in our notes. So you need not to worry about each and every fact that can come in competitive exam to enhance your knowledge, or it is a school exam. For example, you can see the tributaries of River Ganga and flow of River Ganga. These are very detailed and easy to revise notes. If you want, we can also provide you the PDF. So these are just the sample notes which I am showing to you before we get started. So you need to not to bother about the quality which we are going to provide. So let's get started. Before we get started, we should know what India comprises of. When I say the word India, what comes to your mind? So this is a political map of our India. Our India consists of 28 states and 8 union territories. Now just a food for thought for the aspirants preparing for SSC or UPSC. Please try to remember the articles which say that India is a union. Also try to remember the articles 1 to article 4 of our constitution. If you remember this, please comment down below which article says India is a union of states. So from today onwards, we will learn about states of India first, because if we have a grasp on each and every state of our country, it will be easy for us to have knowledge about rivers, mountain ranges, our neighbors, etc. etc. So let's start. Let's eat the frog first, which is the most difficult part for India to remember. Many students fail here in this part, which is the Northeast India. I know it is a bit difficult to remember, but we will make you learn in one go. This video is not just for watching, we will make you learn, understand, and memorize at the same time. As far as life and knowledge is concerned, hints are in front of you. You just need to catch them and memorize. So let's get started. We will start with Northeast. Before starting, let's get back to the directions, basics. So as far as compass is concerned, this is north, this is south, this is west, and this is east. I have marked with respect to India as well. JNK, which is the crown of India, is in the north direction. This is the southern part, this is the western part, Gujarat, and this is the eastern part. Now, as far as West Bengal is concerned, its name is West Bengal, but it lies in the eastern part of India. Please remember it. West Bengal doesn't mean it is in the western part of India. It is in the eastern part of India. Here is the Northeast Indian states. Comprises mainly of 7 states and Sikkim. The total 8 states. 7 states also known as Seven Sisters. So what all are the states which are covered in Seven Sisters? First try to recall the names which are covered in Seven Sisters. You can see for a while which all states are covered, then we will try to recall without watching them. Let's start from north. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and Assam. So these are the major seven states covered in Northeast India. I hope you are familiar with the names now. So let's try to recall what all the states are covered in Northeast India. Northeast India. So this is the correct method to learn and memorize anything you read. First, try to read it and then try to recall it without watching it. If we are unable to recall it without watching, we will go back again to the source and we'll try to refill which we missed while recalling. So let's start. What all is covered in Northeast India? First, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Sikkim. So let's count: one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we became familiar with the states which are covered in Northeast India. Now how to learn them and learn them in sequence wise so that any question come in competitive exam, we do not linger on the random knowledge. So let's start from the north side. Which is the north side? This part. Arunachal Pradesh is the northernmost state as far as Northeast India is concerned. Let's get started. Here is a brief map of Northeast Indian states. So I have made a quick mnemonic to learn the states starting from north and reaching to south in sequence wise. So I'll tell you short story. Try to recall it. Okay. So there is a boy named Arun. He's a very obedient, well-maintained, well-groomed guy and knows Hindi and Sanskrit. So how will he greet when any guest or relative comes to his house? Try to remember a term, namami. If you are an aspirant, you also know that Namami Gange program. So this is not a difficult word to remember. And this shows the exact sequence of northeastern states from north to south. So there is a guy named Arun. He's very obedient, well-mannered guy. He greets every relative who comes to his house. So Arun Namami, Namami, NA. NA stands for Nagaland. MA. MA stands for Manipur. Namami. MI stands for Mizoram. So Arun Namami. And he also offers tea whenever someone comes to his house. T stands for Tripura. So here I write it again. Arun Namami T. If you try to recall it, that becomes Arunachal Pradesh. NA becomes Nagaland. MA becomes Manipur. MI becomes Mizoram. And T becomes Tripura. So it gives you from north to south in sequence wise states as far as northeast is concerned. Majorly students are confused between Manipur and Mizoram because both are starting with M. So another trick which you can remember is Z comes later and N comes first. So the state with Z will come later in the southernmost part, right? So if you want to remember with Namami, it's Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, MA. And if you want to remember with alphabetical order, N comes first and Z comes later. So Manipur comes first and Mizoram comes later. So within 15 to 20 seconds, we covered 5 states out of 8 states, right? So try to recall and complete these abbreviations in your head, right? So let's start from north till south. Let's recall together. And if you want to recall, just pause the video here and try to recall yourself. First is Arun. Arun is a guy, stands for Arunachal Pradesh. Arun is an obedient guy, right? I told you. So here is Namami, from north to south. Namami. NA stands for Nagaland. Manipur. MI, Mizoram. And T, Tripura, right? So easy. So you need not to worry about Northeast as far as states of Northeast are concerned, right? And this separate part, which is reflected separately, is Sikkim. We all know that. So how many states we have covered right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. See, 6 states out of 8 states are covered within a few seconds, and only 2 states are left. And these are very beautiful to remember. Okay, let's start. See, I got you another map of Northeast India. Which 2 states were left? This one and this one. See, as far as map is concerned, you can see a A forming here. A बनता हुआ दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. See, again, let me highlight it. A बनता हुआ दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, right? So A stands for Assam. So I told you, hints are there itself. You just need to catch them. अब नॉर्थ ईस्ट सबसे इजी पार्ट लगने वाला है आपको इस वीडियो के बाद. A stands for Assam. The shape itself shows which state it's belong to. ठीक है? Now this is A. Here I have done a deliberate mistake. This, it also shows the capital of Assam, right? So remember it, this shape as this is A. This stands for Dispur, which is capital of Assam. So the shape tells you about the state and its capital in one go. How easy it was to remember, right? Let's clean this so that I can move towards next state. Right. So next state, see, Meghalaya. The word is Megh. The Hindi familiar students, you know the meaning of Megh, and the people who don't know about the meaning of Megh, it is cloud. And as you can see the shape of Meghalaya, let me form a long cloud here. See, I have formed a cloud, a long cloud. Cloud means Megh and Meghalaya, which tells it is the home of the cloud. And people who are well read also know that it is one of the state with highest rainfall throughout the year, right? So it is very easy to remember. The state which is in the shape of cloud is Meghalaya, and state which is in the shape of A is Assam, right? So why have I written here long cloud? See, everything has a logic. मैं इसको क्लाउड भी बोल सकता था, सिर्फ क्लाउड बोल सकता था, राइट? बट आई हैव रिटन हियर लॉन्ग क्लाउड. लॉन्ग, Shillong, right? How easy it becomes to remember. Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Now you just need to remember a long cloud. The shape tells you the name of the state and long tells you the capital of the state. And here, what I told you, this is A. A stands for Assam, and this stands for Dispur. See, we have covered all 8 states of Northeast within few minutes. Now you can recall complete Northeast India within 20 to 30 seconds. Just take a physical map of India and try to recall each and every state which I have told you. These are the hints. Just take a screenshot of this slide and try to recall each and every part which I have told you so far. Let me recall you once again. Harun, Namami towards south. Just complete these abbreviations. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, right, T, Tripura, Sikkim. Here is A. A stands for Assam. This is a cloud. Hindi word for cloud is Megh. So Meghalaya. Right. See how easy it became? We have covered all the states of Northeast. Now you can't say this is a tough part, and school going students, trust me, no one can teach you better than this, and you don't not need to mug up each and every part. Just a simple logic behind each and every word, and no need to make each and every part a bit difficult. Just try to remember as I have told you, and you will be prepared with Northeast India within seconds, right? Now, as far as the capitals are concerned, 2 states are already covered, right? Assam, what I told you, this is A. So, Assam, I have told you Dispur, and Meghalaya, I have told you Long Cloud. So, this is Shillong. We covered both of these states, right? Now, this is the state Mizoram, right? Here comes M I Z. Try to remember this Z part, and capital also A I Z A W L. This Z, just remember this part. Okay, Mizoram Aizal, right? Likewise, this is Manipur, Mani, I, Imphal, or just money means you all are working for money, right? So it is the fal which we all need. You can also remember this. Money is fal which we are working for, right? Either you can remember with I for money, MANI, and I stands for Imphal, or money means fal. Fine. Let me erase this first. So how many states we have covered completely? Assam, Dispur, Meghalaya, Shillong, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizal, right? Just watch this video 1 or 2 times and you need not to go to any other video. You will remember it throughout your life. Another is Naga, Naga, Kohima, A, A. Just try to relate it. These are my tricks which I remember. So you can also make your own tricks, right? Naga, Kohima, Mani, Imphal, Z, Z, Aizal, Long, Shillong. This is A. Assam, Dispur. Now, Tripura, T. Remember T for Tala, which is Hindi for Lok. So, T, Tala, Agartala, right? So, these are small tricks which you also can make yourself for from your daily life to make your life easy, right? And only two states are left. Just try to make abbreviations and comment down below which all you have made to make them easy, right? Sikkim, Gangtok, and Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. So this is the final part which we have covered till now. Try to complete it on your own and comment down below. Have you learned it? Have you grasped any new thing? And if yes, we will continue this series and we will cover India and as well as the world, each and every continent you will remember on your tips, right? So please complete this table on your own and comment down below. Was this helpful for you? Arun, Namami, T, this is A, this is Cloud, this is S, which is Sikkim. And also try to remember capitals of the respective states. So this is it for now. Hope you liked it and we will continue this series. Please mention your responses. We will get to know how we can improve and we will move towards the crown part of India, which is the northern part. Wait a minute. We will cover this part in the upcoming video. This is already covered. So we will cover whole India in 3 videos, right? Thank you so much. Enjoy your day.